dear students. Today we are discuss the remaining part of the poverty. Dear students, today first of all we are discuss cause of poverty. So we have a lot of cause of poverty. First of all, we are discuss what is the meaning of poverty. So do you know that the inability to fulfill the basic requirement of life is called poverty. Inability to fulfill the basic requirement of life is called poverty. And we have a lot of causes of poverty. The first one is low level of national product. Dear students, the national productivity is very low in both three sectors, primary, secondary and tertiary sector. So the lot of people, they don't contribute in a production process, and they don't able to catch the job, and its level of income is low. They don't able to fulfill the basic requirement of life like food, shelter and clothes, and they are always poor. Next one is low rate of growth in the economy due to lack of industrialization and do not proper development of the agriculture sector. So its impact goes, the growth rate is very low and it is create the poverty in the economy. Next one is heavy population of heavy pressure of population. Dear students, the number of population is greater than job opportunity. So the population is fastly rise, but the source of income and production do not rise in the same rate. So at the moment, the lot of people, they don't able to fulfill the basic requirement of life, and the poverty create in the economy. Next one, inflation spiral. Due to rise the population in the economy so fastly, so here is the demand greater than supply and price of goods fastly rise. And when the price of each goods and services fastly rise, so at a higher prices, the people, they don't able to fulfill the basic requirement of life, and the people is stay below poverty line. Next one, chronic unemployment. Dear students, in underdeveloped or developing economy, the industrial sector do not develop in proper way. So the lot of people, they don't able to catch the job according to ability, and the people is always unemployed or underemployment. So it is create the poverty in the economy because the people, they don't able to fulfill the basic requirement of life. Next one is capital deficiency. That's another causes of the poverty in the economy, because we in developed and backward economy, they have no capital, so they don't spend the huge amount for the development or establish of industries. So it does not create the job opportunity, and the productivity in the economy is very low, and the economy do not generate the enough job opportunity. The people, they don't able to contribute in production process, and they don't earn income for the fulfill the basic requirement of life, and they stay below poverty line. Next one, outdated social institutions. The social institutions is always outdated. They always use the backward technology, and they always produce according to custom, according to religious. So at the moment, the people, they don't develop the fulfill the basic requirement of life in the economy, and the social institutions, they don't develop the appropriate the job opportunity, and the poverty is created in the economy. Lack of infrastructure, that's another causes of the poverty in Indian economy. Dear students, we have two type of infrastructure, economic or social. When the both economic and social infrastructure is weak, so at the moment the people, they don't educated, and they don't healthy, and they don't contribute in a production process. So the people level of income is very low, and people, they don't able to catch the job, and they don't contribute in a production process, and they always stay below poverty line. So that's your causes of poverty in Indian economy. Clear? Dear students, the next topic is how to remove poverty from the economy. So we have a lot of measures remove the poverty from the economy. The first one is combine poverty by improving the distribution of income throughout fiscal or legal measures. When the distribution of income according to fiscal measures, the distribution of income is equally created in the economy, then the poverty will be removed. Because the income is distributed equally from the people able to fulfill the basic requirement of life, and the poverty will be removed. Next one, legal measures. According to these measures, the government fixed the minimum wage. So when the government fixed the minimum wage for the people, then the people easily fulfill the basic requirement of life, because they always receive the minimum wage from the organization, and the poverty will be removed. Next one, combined poverty throughout production control. Dear students, when the government free from the control of production, so the lot of private sector institutions established in the economy, and the people catch the job opportunity and increase the level of income, and they create the job opportunity, it is remove the poverty in the economy. Next one, development of agriculture sector. Generally, Indian economy is an agro-based economy. About 72 point something % people stay in the rural areas. So when we develop the rural areas, then about 72% people is always contribute in the agriculture sector. They catch the job in agriculture sector, and they earn income and easily remove the poverty from the economy. Next one, stability in the price level. When the price level is stable in the economy by the government, then the poverty will easily remove. Because at the stable prices, the lot of people easily able to fulfill the basic requirement of life, and the poverty will be removed. Next one, eradication of unemployment. When the government try to remove the unemployment from the economy, then definitely the lot of people catch the employment opportunity, and then able to fulfill the basic requirement of life, because they earn more income. Next one, labor intensive technology. Dear students, the poverty easily removed when the economy is always use the labor intensive technology. Because in labor intensive technology, the goods and services produced according to use the more and more labor, and the people use more and more in the production process, then definitely the lot of people easily fulfill the basic requirement of life, because they earn more income, and the poverty will be removed. Next one, provision for minimum need of the poor. Dear students, when the government make the provision for the fulfill the minimum requirement of life of the poor, then the poor easily real income is rise, and they earn its level of income is rise, and they easily fulfill the basic requirement of life, and the poverty will be removed. Opportunity for self-employment. Self-employment is also create the employment opportunity, and the lot of people is earn more income, and they able to fulfill the basic requirement of life, and the poverty will be removed. So dear students, that's your measures to remove poverty from the economy. Clear beta? So today you will prepare 2 questions. The first one is, what is poverty? Briefly explain the cause of poverty. And next one is, what is poverty? Briefly explain how to remove poverty from the economy. You will prepare both question on your fair copy and you will learn both question. Clear beta? And you will choose also your attendance today. Clear beta? Thank you very much.